Hello there darlings, welcome to Edwigealamode, where I share all things fabulous. If you're new here, my channel focuses on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, fragrances, hair, everything fabulous. So in today's video I'm sharing with you my new wig from Edwigealamode. I'd like to thank today's sponsor for this beautiful wig. So I'll be showcasing this HD 13x4 body wave hair. It's been a long time that I've had a body hair wig and they kindly sent me this beautiful wig. So let's get into it. This hair features invisible knotting and the lace itself is HD, so you're not going to see those dark knots with this. So it literally is supposed to melt into your skin and you are going to see when I put this on. So I've already added this cap which came with the hair, thank God, because the one I had was really horrible. To start off with, I'm just going to be using this edge control from GN to lay my baby hairs. To start off, I'm just going to use this on my edges. Wow, this is really good. So for the wig, you've seen that this is 20 inches. It's really body wave. I think what I'm gonna do is once it's on, I'm going to finger brush it so that the curls can stretch a little bit. So before we get into it, the wig contains a band like that, the elastic band. This allows you to control how tight or how loose you want it. It also contains the inside, what are these things called? It also contains these clips inside. Sorry, you can't see. It contains 3 clips. So we've got one here. We've got another one at the back. And we have another one on the other side, like so. If you feel like the band is not secure, then you can use the clips just for that extra security. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on so that you can see. I think you can even wear this as a glueless if you want. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, I was right. I'm gonna have to bring this back. But I like that this is very sheer. The cap is very, very sheer. I'm gonna put some foundation on it, so don't worry. Oh, I love this. This is gonna be my holiday hair for sure. For sure. I like how glamorous this looks. And just, can we just look at the details here at the front, please? Look at the details. So this is what I was talking about earlier when I told you that this was a knotless hair. Like you can barely see the knots at all. Can you see that? You can barely see the knot. It looks very natural, very beautiful. One thing I love about this hair is that it comes ready. If you're a busy girl or you don't know how to lay your hair, this is the perfect wig because everything is already done for you. All you have to do is cut the lace. It's body wave, it's slick already. I just feel like it's even been hot combed already. But you know I'm extra, so I might go, no, I don't even need to do anything. all I have to do is cut the lace and lay it how I want to. So this is definitely for my busy women who don't have time, or if you're learning to do your own hair, or if you have no clue how to do your own hair. This is the perfect hair for you because everything is ready for you to just wear. And I mean, I love this. I love this so much. Thank you so much to Ali Pearl for this partnership. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace. Do you know what I like? I like that the lace comes all the way here. Unless I've put it wrong. No, you can put it however you want, because my hairline is very funny, and often I find that wigs just stop like here on my head because I've got a very funny hairline. But this, I feel like it's versatile, so it can fit any head shape. Okay, you see how that just, whoo, just literally blends into my skin. Wow. So I went ahead and cut off the lace. As you can see that it really blends into my skin. So I'm gonna take off the wig now and just powder the cap so that it blends in well, so that you can see it at its best form. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some bond glue so that it can hold the wig in. I'm using this one. So I'm just going to push the wig back. Like I mentioned, I'm not going to put a lot. I'm only gonna put a little bit for that natural look. And I just love how this looks. I'm gonna use my fingers to lay it flat. Like I said, I'm not using a lot of glue because I really want that natural look, and I want that skin-like. I want it to look like it's growing from my scalp, basically. That's what I want. So I'm just going to easily just press it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and hot comb the hair flat, because you know that I like my hair to really be flat at the top. And the best way to get that is just by brushing as you go. But you really don't have to do this, it's just because I'm extra. I'm just gonna literally hot comb the hair. You can wear it all back if you want. Okay, I'm just gonna use some hair mousse. And this is just going to help for all the hairs to lay flat. because I think this is gonna look nicer when it's like slicked or slicked back. Okay, I think that is everything. So now I'm just going to use my fingers to make the hair more bouncy, because this is a body wave hair. It feels really nice, really soft. This is really beautiful, and I think it will be perfect for my holiday, but even just like your everyday life as well. I think, why not? It's not tangling. It feels like it, you can see that the hair's really bouncy. I don't need to say much, but I just want it to spread it out a little bit. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit, and you can do this by using your fingers to like play with it so that it could be a lot more flatter. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this Alipal hairband off so that you can see what the hair looks like, and I can see if I need to do anything else to the hair. Wow, I really like this. This is perfect. This is going to be perfect for my holiday. It looks really, really natural, and I just love that I can throw it all back. To be honest, I don't think I've done hair like this before. This is really pretty. This is really pretty. Look at that. What lace? Where is the lace? This is really beautiful, guys. I will leave all the details down in the description box for this hair. Like, just look at that. Look at that. Look at that. This is really beautiful. It's perfect. Perfect for my holiday. It comes ready. All I did was cut the lace, you saw, and I added a little bit of spray just to hold it down. But if you want it to last longer on your head, then you can go ahead and spray more glue. But I only put a little bit because I wanted more of a natural look. I didn't want it to be too tight on my head. But I just love how the hair feels. It's really, really bouncy. Once again, thank you so much to Alipal for this sponsorship. This is a very luxurious wig, and for all my ladies on the go, this is for you. You don't have to pluck it, you don't have to dye it, everything is done. If you just want it to be a little bit darker, a little bit lighter, you can do that with your powder, but it comes ready for you to just throw on, cut the lace and style it. So this is what it looks like, a close up of the lace. I really want you to see the lace. I really want you to see the lace. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Beautiful. I love this hair, and what I love about it is the fact that you can actually create a side part if you want, so you can style it so many different ways. This is a HD frontal, and the frontal goes all the way round. It's 13×5, so as you can see, if you wanted to switch up your hair and do like a side part, you could. If you wanted to do, I don't know, a side middle, you could. If you wanted your part to start from here, which I very much doubt, but some people do, you could. If you wanted to do a half up, half down with this hair, you can do that also, which I think I will be doing. And you can wear it all back as well if you want. This is definitely a great investment. I love this wig so much. You can see how bouncy it is. It just looks really natural. Thank you so much to Ali Pearl for sponsoring this video. I'm so in love with my new hair. I cannot wait to wear this hair on holiday. Honestly, it's just the perfect hair. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Comment down below if you would wear this wig. I would love to know. Mwah. See you.